Let's switch gears once again and more tragic stories. Hashim Mohamed, the main murder suspect into the mysterious killing of 3 women in Islii, has been arrested.
The suspect, who was being trailed by Criminal Research and Investigations Bureau, was cornered at a hideout within Nairobi's Kamkunji. As we'll hear now from Franklin Wala, the suspect, who is currently being grilled at the DCI headquarters, is expected to be presented in court on Monday.
Hashim Mohamed has been in hiding for the last 12 days after he was linked to the horrific murder of 3 women in Nairobi's Islii. Saturday, the suspect was captured by CCTV cameras while within a building in Islii. Detectives from the Criminal Research and Investigations Bureau at the DCI headquarters and Nairobi area, who were on his trail, were notified. An intense manhunt for the suspect was launched as detectives zeroed in on him, monitoring his movements through forensic trail. The suspect playing hide and seek for the better part of Saturday as he avoided several traps set by the police. He attempted using several phone numbers to conceal his movement. Sunday, the suspect was cornered while at a hideout within Kamkunji. He was taken in for a brief grilling session at Kamkunji police station before being taken to the DCI headquarters, where he was grilled by homicide detectives.
Thank you for Allah. Make it as easy. The guy brutally killed for our children. The government has captured. Now we are in front of the DCI. He's the guy, the murder is inside. We are really happy. We are saying thank you for all the Kenyan and the Kenya government, and all the people are convicted how to catch this guy. And I say thank you for Allah. Thank you very much, all of you.
Detectives say the suspect had several fake documents, among them a Kenyan ID. Has also been established. Hashim served as a regional police officer in a neighboring country before deserting the service and escaping to Kenya. Investigators are also probing claims the suspect was once jailed for a murder case of a family member. In Kenya, he worked as a driver in several schools within Islii. Investigations placed him at the center of abduction and subsequent murder of 3 family members in Islii. Those who were killed were Amina Abdirashid, Nusaiba Abdi and Waris Daudi. Their bodies were discovered in different locations within Nairobi and Machakos. Franklin Wala, Citizen TV.
The same suspect. This person is a Somali, I think, from Ethiopia. suspect. This person is a Somali, I think, from Ethiopian origin.
But you are given that he is a holder of a Kenyan ID number.
Yeah, but originally he came.
Sorry?
Originally, even me, I'm a Luo, but I came through Sudan, Kenya. So I think
But it's a Kenyan.
He's a Kenyan. We are going to verify further.
Okay.
Because he had a family in Ethiopia, and we understand, not confirmed very much, that he had 3 wives, and in Ethiopia he killed one of the wives. Unconfirmed, but it's a confirmed.
It's confirmed.
It's confirmed.
I'm asking.
Unconfirmed. Unconfirmed. Travel history. We got PX, and we confirmed this person had gone to Turkey for some time. We don't know whether he reached Turkey and maybe used other means to go to other countries. So this person had killed the 3, the mother, the daughter, and the relative. And this lady, the 3rd one, the 4th one, Deka. He's in custody, was given 14 days, as he said. And again, we are still following to connect this.
Chair.
Yes.
I wanted to confirm this suspect.
Yes.
Where was he arrested? Was he arrested when running away from Kenya, going to Somalia? Is it true?
No, we arrested him here in Kamkunji.
Okay.
Yes.
Investigating the murder of a woman whose body was badly mutilated and found dumped at the Langata cemetery have today arrested a taxi driver believed to have helped the main suspect of the murder, Hashim Dagan, to transport the body of the deceased for disposal at the Langata cemetery. The officers also discovered the deceased's clothes dumped at the Langata cemetery grounds. Samira Mohammed with the details.
3 days after the arrest of Hashim Dagan, the main suspect in the murder of 3 women from Nairobi's Islii area, and Dhaka Abdi, sleuths from the DCI have discovered clothes believed to belong to the deceased, which are believed to have been dumped at the Langata cemetery by Hashim Dagan. Acting on intelligence leads, the detectives established that one of the suspects, a taxi driver who was ferrying Hashim Dagan, was moved from his hideout in Eldoret town, not only handled all the payment transaction relating to the client's stay at an apartment in Nairobi's Lavington area, but was also the person who drove Dagan to dump the remains of Dhaka at the Langata cemetery in a Toyota Vitz that has since been recovered. According to Dhaka's family, Dhaka went missing on 24th October, which the family reported at California Police Station.
We missed that sister of ours on 23 last month. We have reported the matter to the police station, California Police Station, and we have the OP number here.
The family is now calling on the government and relevant authorities to expedite on the investigations to ensure that justice is served to their slain kin.
Requesting the police to give us justice since that sister of ours have been murdered very badly.
Speaking before members of the National Assembly, Deputy DCI boss John Onyango stated that Hashim is from Ethiopia and had murdered one of his wives before fleeing to Kenya. He added the suspect has so far been linked to 4 murders, and all are that of women, among them Dhaka Abdi Noor.
Islii is twofold. One is the girlfriend, that the body was skeleton, was dumped at the Langata cemetery. The other one, the 3, we are still trying to get the booty.
Samira Mohammed for TV 47.